Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. I'm so happy to see you here again. Thank you so much for your clicking this video. I hope you're doing great today, guys. If you are new to here, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing upload. This channel is all about wooden craft for home decor ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. I love sharing with new easy ideas with you. Your support means a lot to me. Let's enjoy it together. I hope you will find something useful today. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. Share your comments and they makes the smile. Let's keep growing and learning together. We are on not just viewers, you are part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for your support and your love, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification, and thanks for spending your time with me. I make this video with a lot of love for you. Stay with me till the end of the video and so you don't miss any other amazing designs. This channel is all about wooden beauty and simple decor ideas. If you love wooden style and creativity, you are on the right place. In today's video, I will show you the most beautiful, latest and trendy collection of home decor ideas in wooden styles, color combination and sizes. A piece of story, let's discover it together. I hope this video inspire you for your own space. Please give this video a like. If you enjoy wooden art, your support helps me create more for you. I love reading your comments. Keep them coming. Simple woodens can bring warm beauty to any home. Let's make your space more cozy and charming. Stay with me till the end. I have something lovely for you. On daily basis, I bring new ideas from wooden to wooden. You are a part of this wooden and Norina with decor family. Sit back, relax, and enjoy today's wooden creation. Wooden decor brings warmth and natural beauty to any home. And you don't need expensive items, just simple wood and a little creativity. Today I will show you the most beautiful how to use wooden pieces to make your space look more beautiful. You can use all wooden trays, create and open wooden planks. Paint them and polish them or leave them natural and stylish. Look lovely. Wall shelves made of wood are not only useful but also stylish. You can